Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. We are back again on a new video reaction. I just want to give you an update. I just want to give you updates on what is going on between Nigerian government, Nigerian army and Biafran Liberation Forces. So what you are seeing here is the recent assignment of Biafran Liberation Army. They went to this police station, and the rest is history, as you can see here. I am laughing because it's funny. It's funny because when they claim they know what they're doing, when they claim that they have Biafrans in their hands and everything, even though Biafran government in Ezra and Biafrans are facing a lot of challenges at the moment, but it did not stop, Biafran army to do the assignment. Some of us are not happy when you see people coming on social media to, discuss one or two things, complain about this and that, so, getting themselves involved in politics of Biafrans, which many people have condemned, of course, which is condemnable. Of course, it is condemnable because they are not supposed to do that. But the joy is that the primary duty of the army have not been ignored. They are doing what they need to do. So this is video evidence of what happened. As you can see here, this happened just 22nd of December 2024, yesterday. Okay, so now let me allow the video to roll so that you yourself will be able to hear what happened.
Police station and this special squad or Hakampuara, the Miami, my police, Mebubago. I'm here to channel her this morning. Men is visiting her now. Kain Jiri Woro no Ebri, or Kain Jiri Woro Bona Biafra land and Alan 9. How many ripos also? So the way I end out with a property and the Quachama Green is a Babuna. Mandem Pamandem Mahaman arrest my youth. The Mahaman arrest, they demanded 500,000. I released Chironyabula. So Onyabla they happy this morning. The Bahana work. So I am without the
This information is something that many people want to see. I mean, Biafrans have been calling for for army to step up to do the needful, because recently we have this kind of fear that seeing them going through from community to community, demolishing houses, invading communities and kidnapping many people, youth especially, sending them to judgment. That is a thing of concern. And in the midst of the whole thing, then you don't see some people coming on social media to brag that they have access to army, the other people don't have, they do this and do that. But the primary work or job of an army is not being taken care of. So seeing this kind of video now gives people joy. People believe that that is the best way to go. I don't blame anybody that feel like that, because somehow it is true. How can you claim that you want, you want to defend your land, but you are giving chance for people to invade your home? Because after re-declaration of Biafra, it seems like Biafran government of Biafran people started losing, ground because of the act of the only three people, which some of you have nicknamed them as a three wise men. I'm not here to tell you anything about them, but the only thing you need to understand is that freedom, Biafran freedom and the Biafran movement is not tied on one person. It's not tied on three persons. It's about what people need and the welfare of Biafrans. If you feel that you can offer something that others don't have, you come up and do the needful. Present yourself and assist in any way you can. So this goes to the fundraising going on. Some people are still confused on who to support. You understand? But follow your conscience. Even if you feel that party A is the best or party B is the best, ask yourself before this convention, before this problem, who and who is your enemy? So if you believe that DOS are not for Biafra, which they have claimed they are not, so if you believe that, then now you are seeing some group that claim they have access to your army, dining and whining with the same group that you have already established that they have nothing to do with your freedom. That should be the easiest way to answer that question. I mean, to find out who is getting it right or who is getting it wrong. That alone, that alone should give you an idea of what you want. Because there's no way somebody will say that he don't like Simon Ekpa, Biafran Prime Minister. Not that he said it. In fact, he have proven to that he's not, in support of PM. But you are seeing that person coming out every now and then to share idea with DOS on how to attack COS. So you should use that alone to justify, to find out who is getting it right and who is getting it wrong. As simple as that. So this is just a quick reaction, because when I saw this post, I felt that it is worth sharing, because people believe that because of the going back and forward, the changing word, attacking each other, that is going on now, that nobody is doing anything. In fact, army is now on everybody's village. In fact, the hope is somehow disappearing. But with this kind of video, you understand that it's not what you think. Biafran armies are still, doing that job. That's all the fact. Anyway, hear this before we end it. Let's start from beginning again.
Otoko police station and this special squad ha kampuara there ma army ma police mebubago amam here to channel her this morning men is visited here now kai jire woro no ebri o kai jire woro obo na Biafra land na ala nai how many repos also so lekwe ya yenda wacha property and lekwe chama green net ya chiri ja babunna na mandem pa mandem ma hemen arrest my youth the hemen arrest need demand for 500,000 I release
only in Biafran land. They are demanding 500,000 to release people that they kidnapped. I don't know about you, but so my people, thank you so much. I just want to share this update with you, and please like the video and subscribe if you have not. See you again, and bye bye for now. God bless you all. Take care.